Welcome to Cosmic Discoveries. Today, we journey into the fascinating world of cosmic rays. These mysterious particles travel across vast distances of space, carrying secrets of the universe. Join me as we explore the enigmatic realm of cosmic rays. What exactly are cosmic rays? These mysterious particles have puzzled scientists for over a century. Imagine tiny particles smaller than atoms hurtling through space at incredible speeds. They travel across vast distances, originating from sources like the Sun, distant stars, and even supernova. These are cosmic rays, and they're constantly bombarding our planet. Every second, thousands of these particles pass through your body without you even noticing. Don't let their size fool you, though. Despite being minuscule, they pack a punch. These high-energy particles carry immense power. When they collide with atoms in the Earth's atmosphere, they create showers of secondary particles, which can be detected by scientists. Cosmic rays are like tiny messengers from distant corners of the cosmos, carrying clues about the universe's most energetic events. By studying them, scientists hope to unlock secrets about the origins of the universe, the behavior of stars, and the nature of space itself. Where do these cosmic bullets come from? Some originate within our own galaxy, from powerful events like supernova explosions. Others travel from distant galaxies, journeys that can take millions of years. Imagine the stories these particles could tell as they zip through the cosmos, carrying echoes of cataclysmic events. Section 4. Cosmic journeys across the vastness of space. Cosmic rays don't travel in straight lines. Their paths are bent and twisted by magnetic fields that permeate space. These fields act like invisible cosmic highways, guiding the particles on their journeys across the universe. It's like a cosmic dance, with magnetic fields choreographing the movements of these tiny travelers. Imagine a particle born in the heart of a distant star, embarking on an epic voyage. As it travels, it encounters these magnetic fields, which are remnants of ancient stellar explosions and the dynamic processes of galaxies. These fields are not uniform, they vary in strength and direction, creating a complex web that the particle must navigate. The journey of a cosmic ray can span millions of years, crossing vast interstellar distances. Along the way, it might interact with other particles, creating showers of secondary particles that spread out like ripples in a pond. These interactions can tell us a lot about the composition and behavior of the universe. Scientists study these cosmic rays to understand the fundamental forces at play in the cosmos. By analyzing their paths and interactions, researchers can gain insights into the magnetic fields that shape our galaxy and beyond. It's a field of study that combines astrophysics, particle physics, and cosmology, revealing the intricate and beautiful tapestry of the universe. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that it's not just a static scene. It's a dynamic, ever-changing dance of particles and forces, choreographed by the invisible hand of magnetic fields. Section 5. Cosmic rays on Earth. From the atmosphere to our cells, when cosmic rays collide with Earth's atmosphere, they create a shower of secondary particles. These high-energy particles originate from outer space, traveling vast distances before reaching our planet. As they enter the atmosphere, they interact with air molecules, producing a cascade of secondary particles that spread out in all directions. These particles rain down on us constantly, though we rarely notice them. They penetrate through the atmosphere and reach the surface, where they can even pass through buildings and our own bodies. Despite their omnipresence, cosmic rays are invisible and undetectable without specialized equipment. While some cosmic rays might pose risks to astronauts and technology, they also play a role in our planet's atmosphere and climate. In space, astronauts are exposed to higher levels of cosmic radiation, which can pose significant health risks. On Earth, cosmic rays contribute to the ionization of the atmosphere, which can influence weather patterns and cloud formation. Scientists are still unraveling the complex ways cosmic rays influence our world. Research is ongoing to understand how these particles affect everything from climate change to technological systems. By studying cosmic rays, scientists hope to gain insights into the fundamental processes of the universe and the potential impacts on our daily lives. Section 6. Unraveling the Mysteries, a History of Cosmic Ray Discoveries. The discovery of cosmic rays in the early 20th century revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Scientists like Victor Hess made groundbreaking observations using balloons to study these high-altitude particles. Today, sophisticated detectors around the world continue to unlock the secrets of cosmic rays. Section 7. Keep exploring the cosmos. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of cosmic rays. These tiny particles, traveling across unimaginable distances, remind us of the vastness and wonder of our universe. Please like and subscribe to Cosmic Discoveries for more explorations into the mysteries of space.